Hi, I'm Dr. Brandi Lewis, and I'm from Spring, Texas. I own Brightside Braces, and our office is located right here in Spring, Texas. What inspired me to become an orthodontist is I was lucky enough to have a vocational training course during high school. From that course, I started assisting, and from there, I knew that I had a passion for orthodontics. So I went to undergrad here at U of H Clear Lake. When I started dental school, I went to UCLA in California. I graduated in 2014 and went on directly to residency for orthodontics in Jacksonville, Florida. My program in Jacksonville was clinic-based, meaning that we were hands-on from day one, which was an amazing experience, and I had a lot of great training. After residency, I was able to move back to Texas a little later after practicing a while, and this is my first year and 2 months into my own ownership of my own practice. I believe it's highly important to be involved in the community. I actually live and work in the community where I work and live, right here in Woodson's Reserve, Spring, Texas. My son is in high school, so I'm on the PTO. I do a lot of outreach that involves training the next generation of orthodontists. So I believe in allowing high school interns, interns that come from RDA school, interns, if you're just interested and you want to learn, I'm definitely here to help you. We do also a lot of service events, and it just gives me the overall feeling of community that I have not experienced anywhere else. That's an additional reason why I like Texas and what I meant about the people being so great here. That sense of community you don't find in other states, and I've lived in 5 other states to experience that. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Brandi Lewis, and I'm a proud member of the Texas Association of Orthodontists, and we keep Texas smiling.